I have this trouble all the time. I always have this trouble with helmets. Them fucking great ears I've got, innit? Big ears and a flat head.
They see from out here, that looks tiny, doesn't it?
What, that sports bike shop? Yeah.
Quite big, dude.
Cavernous inside.
Quite big, though, isn't it?
And
go on then.
I think he said to me a third of that unit is the shop, the other 2/3 is the warehouse.
Yeah, because I mean the stock that they must hold must be incredible.
Oh, it's ridiculous. But they didn't have an extra large carbon in there, did they?
No.
But we found a crash helmet that fits my head. And it's the X5, isn't it?
500 and odd quid, wasn't it? Well, like I say, what's this twat? Go on then, knob fondler. What a fucking thing that is. Porcelanosa.
That's a posh showroom, isn't it?
Yeah, I bet that ain't fucking cheap in there.
No, I expect that charges you a fiver to walk through the door.
How much money do you want to spend on taking a shit?
Well, obviously quite a bit.
I mean, you don't know. I mean, for that kind of money, you'd hope it tickles your balls while you sat on there as well.
Yeah, when you told me how much the new bathroom was these days, I thought, fuck me, I'd rather have a new bike.
Well, that's costing us 15.2, I think it is. But that's the flooring, the whole fucking kit and caboodle, that's everything.
While you're in there.
But it is a big bathroom.
Oh yeah, it's the size of the bloody bedroom, isn't it?
I mean,
well,
when I did it all them years ago, I thought, just to piss my missus off, shall I, where the toilet is, shall I stick the toilet roll holder right over on the far wall?
Do you want to shoot down the outside?
Oh yeah.
Always like to ask.
Yeah, screw sitting here.
Yeah, goes on for a while. Right, we're going left here apparently.
That's right.
Yeah, because mine's it's saying left and me sat there saying friggin' right. It's avoiding tolls, isn't it?
Stop in Toll Bridge and in Toll Bridge.
Thank you very much. That's nice of it.
Thank you. Good girl. There's normally a quid, it says.
You can go up here and then hook back up with the main drag then.
What a fucking name of a road, eh? Jacob's Gutter. Teletubbies, Teletubbies.
Oh God, if it's not me sofa, it's me candles. If it's not me candles, it's me bloody Teletubby bloody radar. At least you can see the problem I have with crash helmets now.
Yeah. Wonder how Steptoe's getting on down the tip.
Well, I don't know. He's probably not enjoying himself as much as he usually would on a Sunday.
He'll be at home whacking himself off to Call of Duty or something. Horses! Right. I should have put the 360 back on, shouldn't I?
Is it on?
No, that's all right. The front and back will front and back will get the horses. There, cruise control set at 40, which is fine till you take your eyes off the road and then you disappear. You disappear into the gorse. Still doing 40.
And then into the bog.
And up a horse's ass. Still doing 40. Tank reserve level reached. 49 miles to go.
Oh.
So I mean, it's always got 50 mile in the tank when you hit reserve.
I didn't plan for fuel stops because I assumed you were going to come out with a full tank.
Don't be silly.
20 miles to the next one.
Yeah.
But we can, when we get to Lyndhurst, if we hang a right, we could shoot up to Ashurst and get some fuel.
It's alright, he's got 49 in it. He'll do more than that anyway.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think where my next bloody fuel station is en route.
But see, although that says 27 miles to the next fuel, doesn't necessarily mean it's on the route.
No, that's what I'm trying to work out, where the next one is. trouble you get for missing out all the main roads, isn't it? If you don't find petrol stations.
That's all right, we've got plenty.
Yeah, but it might be tomorrow by the time we find one.
Probably got nearer to 60 odd, I would imagine.
Well, we've only got 77 miles left to run. And we'll be stopping right opposite a petrol station. Those diamonds mean we're just coming out of the Beauty Estate now.
Yeah.
Bloody huge, isn't it? I'm still trying to wrap my brains where the nearest bloody fuel station is.
Be some in Lyndhurst, wouldn't there?
I think it's shut.
Is it?
We can have a look on the map, can't we? I'm sure there's one up on the Ashurst Road. Just takes us away from our route,
stay
that's
on
all.
the route. I've got plenty. If it runs out, we'll leave it and I'll jump on the back of you. So they got them all in yet or not? I wouldn't think so, have they?
No. It's about twice a year. I think it's September and April, May time, because they have the horse sales. There'll be someone to come down and watch if you like that sort of thing. Very busy.
75, 75, 95, 95, 95, 100, 100. Can't understand what the bastards are saying. Sounds like you on your Cardo.
Years ago, the New Forest pony never fetched much anyway. You can pick one up very reasonably. Very docile, gentle horses. If anyone wants to learn to ride, it's ideal.
On my luck, I'd get on the only one in history where you get on and he'll start to say, "Get off, you bastard." Let me help you off.
Oh, there you go. Keep thinking about that helmet and bloody contact lenses. But, those X5s are supposed to be really quiet as well, aren't
Yeah. Like I say, I know it's dear, but if it lasts you 5 years, that's £2 a week.
Oh, yeah, exactly. I mean, you can't put a price on safety, can you?
I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to hit a fucking juggernaut head on, doesn't matter what you got on your head. Because I doubt your head will be there anymore. Teletubbies, Teletubbies. Which one are you? Fucking Dipsy?
Yeah, definitely.
See, when we had those green jumpsuits on the ambulances, I looked like a fucking Teletubby of mine. Are we going to smell the nice cooking smell again? No, these are trying to... What on earth?
There's a load of bloody cyclists down there taking up the road.
No, I think they're all trying to park, aren't they?
Yeah, well, some are coming up the road, some are riding up the pavement.
We go round them? Yeah, go on. It's only a push bike, feck 'em.
It's a bloody Volvo trying to get up here. It's me leaving him plenty of room because it looks like he can't reverse.
Oh, Jesus, come on, you can get your bloody Mazda round there. Jesus Christ. Oh, now she's parking in there.
Oh, now you can't get past me.
What a joke down here, isn't it?
Someone's put the smoker on.
Oh yeah, oh here it comes. Oh,
Yeah.
shall I put...
I know, oh.
Shall I put my waterproofs
Yes.
on?
I think we ought to pull up and get your waterproofs on, yeah.
Good idea, because it's getting darker.
Yes. And they're quite rather big lumps, aren't they?
They are.
I don't care because I've got my Oxford Mondale suit on. But there's a gravel car park on the right here if you want to pull up.
Yeah, better do, looking at that lot.
Off-road on a sofa.
That's muddy down there, isn't it? Oh yeah, there's a pig to your left, look. Pig.
That'll be why he's there.
Look at the size of the bastards, look.
God, you get a few big chops out of that, wouldn't
Yeah. Look at it, fucking sun's out. Just going to show you something, folks. We stopped and never guess, met up with one of Steve's old girlfriends. And here we see the pigeon killer in his natural environment. What are you going to do? If I can do your Tarzan act. Cheap Chinese lights. There's Andy's bag ticks, crash bar bags. The phone is wearing its condom. And it's got a rubber butt plug up its ass. The Chinese rack on the top box. And I've got to open this anyway. All set up, look. Only thing, I made the hole a little bit big. I've got to make that slightly deeper and slightly tighter. Oh, if only. Brings back memories, doesn't it? Slightly deeper and slightly tighter. Anyway, time to change the battery.